Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to post videos on threads. Maybe you have recorded some captivating videos and you want to share them with your followers. So today I'm going to show you how to post videos on threads. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Threads application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on this post icon at the bottom center of the screen that looks like a pen and paper. Here, you can now start creating a post. Now, to add videos on your post, simply tap on this paper icon below the text input field. In this gallery, choose the video that you want to post. For example, I want to post this video, so simply tap on it. Also, you can choose multiple videos if you want. Once you are done choosing, tap on Done at the top right corner. Next, you can add a caption to your videos to provide context or express your thoughts. Type in your caption in this text box provided. Once you are now satisfied with your caption, you can now tap on this post option. After that, you now have successfully posted videos on threads. Your videos will now be visible to your followers on the application. There you go. If you wanted to know how to post videos on threads, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to post videos on threads, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.